man kong kaibigan.
If you want me, come over, babe. Drop a pin hours on my ATA. But I just ain't got no time to waste. I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Come over, come over.
POV, your at Magulang Araw Red Carpet Premiere.
Ako yung pinaglaban.
Siguro pinaglaban ako. Dahil pag pinaglaban ako, maglalaban ako. Ako yung lumaban.
Pareho kong pinagdaanan. And I think
Ikaw yung lumaban. Papasok kasi dun yung pagiging selfless. And love is selfless, diba? And sacrifice. So, I think mas matimbang yun.
Pretty letters, of course. Siyempre, mawala man ang lahat. Nandun tayo sa sa sinaunang panahon kung saan meron pa rin paraan kung paano tayo makakasulat sa mga mahal natin sa buhay.
Mas mapipil mo yung sinasabi yung message ng isang tao kapag in-effort na handle.
Parang mas organic and authentic. Now I still write letters. Oh my gosh!
Pareho eh, pero mas flowers ako.
Luma ako, flowers.
Sending flowers. Yes, dahil mas sweet yun. And I think it's closer to humanity. Wow.
Manonood ng Netflix, ha? Pero pwedeng both. Manonood ako ng Vodaville sa Netflix.
manood ng Vodaville sa Netflix.
Manood ng Netflix. Both. Pero mas ako sa Netflix. Magandang tanghali po Netflix.
Besties, mapapanood nyo na ang Pulang Araw, arriving first on Netflix this July 26.
I saw piece of heaven waiting patiently. And I was running for a road of enough hope someday. Nobody knows, nobody knows.
When you're spending every day on your